أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Right. So we're on lesson number 8. Everyone sure, or lesson number 9?
Let me check, because I've sent you the homework. I should be able to tell you.
We finished lesson number 8.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, we're on lesson number 9, correct?
Oh yes, we did. Yeah, I finished. Sorry.
No, I can remember. That's what I thought. Right. Okay. Now, Almas, can you come on the mic? Now, this lesson itself, it's an easy lesson. It's not that difficult, and inshallah, we'll finish this lesson within time. So this lesson is about numbers now. Now, in the Arabic language, when you do number counting, it's really important. So in Arabic language, you have feminine numbers and you have masculine numbers. Now, I'm going to ask first of all. Now, I'm not going to go to the points to remember. I'm going to do the actual points and then go to the lesson itself. Now, thalathatun, let me make it bigger so that everyone can see clearly. Thalathatun, arba'atun, khamsatun, sittatun, sab'atun, thamaniyatun, tis'atun, asharatun. Now, you will see that these numbers here are ending with a ta marbuta. Yes? And the noun which is coming after it is coming as a plural. Correct?
Yeah.
So talibun is singular and tullabun is
Plural.
Correct. Now, the way you count in the Arabic language is that if the thing, so the thing which is being counted is called the ma'dud. Ma'dud. Mim, ayn, dal, waw, dal. Ma'dud. Ma'dud means the thing which is being counted. Now, when the thing which is being counted is masculine, the number has to be feminine. And when the thing which is being counted is feminine, the numbers will be
Masculine.
Exactly. That's the way it is. That's the whole lesson. Lesson number 9 and 10. This is the whole theme. And this is the theme, and I'll explain now. And the numbers itself, the first number will come with a dhamma, and the second noun will come with a kasra tanween. So thalathatu tullabin, arba'atu tullabin, khamsatu tullabin, sittatu tullabin. This is the way it comes. 6 of the students, 7 of the students. So there are normally the relationship and the actual construction is mudaf ilayh itself. Is that clear? Okay. Sister Almas, can you go through this, and then I'll get Sister Tahira to do the points. Remember. Go ahead, Sister Almas.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salasatu tullabin, 3 students. Arba'atu tullabin, 4 students. Khamsatu tullabin, 5 students. Sittatu tullabin, 6 students. Sab'atu tullabin, 7 students. Samaniyatu tullabin, 8 students. Tis'atu tullabin, 9 students. Ashratu tullabin, 10 students.
Excellent. So this is the whole lesson itself. Now I'm going to ask Sister Tahira, go through the points to remember.
In this lesson, we learn the numbers 3 to 10 with a masculine noun following them. The word for 1 is wahidun, and is known as an adjective. Example, 1 book, kitabun wahidun. And the word for 2 is ithnani, and this is also follows the noun as an adjective. Example, 2 books, kitabani ithnani. Okay. But usually the word ithnani is omitted because the dual form is enough to, okay, the dual form is enough to, I don't know where
Suggest.
I just suggest the meaning of two, but Ithnani is used for emphasis. Okay. So number 3 to 10, these numbers are used as mudaf. Example, 3 books, ثلاثة كتب, 4 houses, أربعة بيوت, and then خمسة أقلام, and عشرة رجال. Okay, and then the noun that denotes the thing numbered is called ma'adud. 3 students went out. So it says خرج ثلاثة طلاب in 4 houses. في أربعة بيوت. I saw 5 men. رأيت خمسة رجال. And then note that in كم ثمن هذا, what is the price of this? This is an omission. The word omitted is riyalan or any other word not in monetary unit.
Now, there's 2 things I need to explain here now. Thank you for that. Now, when you're counting itself, you will see that ثلاثة كتب, أربعة بيوت, خمسة أقلام, عشرة رجال. Now, you will see the first numbers are coming with a dhamma itself. Now, the dhamma on the numbers itself can vary depending upon the position where the numbers are coming. For example, kharaja thalathatu tullabin. Now we're talking about 3 students. What are they doing? They are leaving somewhere. So for this reason, thalathatu tullabin is mudaf ilay, and it's coming as the doer of the verb.
Okay.
So that's the reason why it has a dhamma here. Now over here now, in 4 houses, fi arba'ati buyutin. Now fi is coming before the word 4. Now it's changing it from a dhamma to a kasra, and buyutin is mudaf ilay. Is that clear? Sister Almas, is that clear for you as well?
Yes, it's clear to me.
And then the finally one, the ra'aytu, who is doing the action of ra'aytu? I saw. Ra'aytu.
I saw it.
Exactly. So ra'aytu, I saw. Now ra'aytu, I saw khamsata rijalin. So I saw 5 men. Now here, men are coming as an object. So whenever a noun comes as an object of a verb, it takes either fatha or a fatha tanween. Now, because khamsata rijalin is mudaf ilay, and as you remember in book 1, we spoke about mudaf ilay. Whenever a word is mudaf ilay, the mudaf will not take a tanween. So that's the reason why it's ra'aytu khamsata rijalin.
Inshallah.
And right, I'm going to ask this to be read by Sister Kisra. Kisra, are you there?
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Go ahead. Vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Shukran, thanks. Ayamun, yom, day, plural, ayamun. As-samanu, price. Nisfu, half. Qirshu, 1/10 of a real, plural is furush. Qudami, plural of qadim, old. Ar-rakibu, passenger, traveling by a bus or a plane. Rukab. As-su'alu, question. Al-jaibu, pocket.
Right.
Kullun, all. Kulluhum, all of them. Kullukum, all of you. Kulluna, all of us. Al-baladu, country, plural biladun. Mukhtalifun, different. Al-hafilatu bus. Minhum of them, literally from them.
Mhm.
Uruban.
Uruba.
Uruban.
Uruba. Yep.
Uruba, Europe.
Hollanda.
Hollanda, Holland.
Excellent. Excellent. Right. This lesson I'm going to ask Sister Tahira, can I request yourself?
Inshallah.
I will request Sister Kisra to read with you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, Sister Kisra, do you want to start?
Okay, I won't mind.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-Mudiru kam taliban jadidan fi faslika ya sheikhu.
Mudarris says, Fihi.
Translation, please. No, translation first. Kam taliban
Manager,
jadida.
how many new students are in your class, O Sheikh?
Correct?
Oh, Mister.
Oh, Sheikh.
Okay. Fihi asharatu tullabin jududin. There are 10 new students.
Excellent.
Al-Mudiru min aina hum? Kulluhum min baladin wahidin. Where are they from? Are they all from the same country? From one country?
لا هم من بلد مختلفة. No, they are from different countries. منهم 3 طلاب من الفلبين و4 طلاب من اليابان والطالبان من الصين وطالب واحد من ماليزيا. Okay, some of them are 3 students from Philippines and 4 students from Japan and 2 students from China and 1 student from Malaysia.
Afi faslika tullabun min Amerika.
Translation.
Are there any students from America?
نعم فيه 7 طلاب من أمريكا. Yes, there are 7 students from America.
Ahum jududun. Are they new?
لا هم قدامي.
Qudama.
قدامى. No, they are old.
Kam taliban fihi min Uruba. How many students are from Europe?
فيه 5 طلاب من إنجلترا و8 طلاب من ألمانيا و6 طلاب من فرنسا و9 طلاب من هولندا. Okay, so he said there are 5 students in England.
Yep.
And 8 students in Almania is Germany. Okay, and 8 students from Germany and 6 students from France and 9 students from Holland.
Excellent.
Shukran, ya Sheikh. Thank you, O Sheikh.
Brilliant. So this is the whole lesson. Not that difficult at all.
No.
Now, I'm going to ask Sister Parveen Razai. Sister Parveen, can you go through this number from 3 to 10, please?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salasatu tullabin, 3 students. Harbatu tullabin, 4 students. Khamsatu tullabin, 5 students. Sittatu tullabin, 6 students. Sab'atu tullabin, 7 students. Thamaniyatu tullabin, 8 students. Tis'atu tullabin, 9 students. Ashratu tullabin, 10 students.
Ahsanti. Excellent. Now I'm going to ask yourself, Sister Butul Andani. I want you to read 4 of these from here. Read and write. So I want you to read 4 sentences.
Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Indi khamsatu kutubin wa salasatu aklamin. I have 5 books and 3 pens.
Correct.
Khalasatun
Khalidun.
Khalidun lahu sittatun abnain. Sittatu abnai. Khalid has 6 sons.
Yep.
Kam akhan laki ya Aminatu. Li arba'atu ikhwatin. How many brothers do you have, O Amina? I have 4 brothers.
Correct.
Fi
Fil
usbu'i sab'atu ayamin.
Correct.
In the week, there are 7 days.
Inshallah, excellent.
Yeah.
Can I request get Almas to do 5, 6, 7, and 8?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam riyalan in the kal ana ya Ammaru. How many riyal do you have now, O Ammar? In dil ana samaniyatu riyalatin. I have now 6 sorry, samaniya is
8.
8. I have 8 riyal now. Fi hazal hayyatis atu buyutin jadidatin. In this town there are 7
9.
new,
Nine.
sorry. In this town there are 9 new houses.
Correct.
لهذه السيارة 4 أبواب.
For this car.
This sorry.
For this car.
Okay, for this car there are 4 doors.
Correct.
Kam samanu hazal kitabi. What is the
So thaman here means how much is the price of this book?
Okay, how much is the price for this book? Samanuhu sab'atu riyalatin wa nisfun. The price is sab'atu riyalatin is sab'a is
7.
okay. Price is 7 riyal and a half.
Correct. Thank you.
Welcome.
Right. Can I request next? Pervin Razai, can you do the next exercise? 9, 10, 11, 12.
في هذا الفصل 10 طلاب قدامي و4 طلاب جدد. In this class, 10 student is old and 4 student is new.
4 students are new. Correct.
كم قميصا عندك يا إبراهيم? Which
How many?
how many shirts do you have for Ibrahim? عندي 8 قمصان.
Qumsani is the plural of qamisun. So in the thamaniyatu qumsani, I have 8.
I have 8 shirts.
Correct.
عندي ريالان و5 قروش. I have 5 real.
No, in the rialani. So rialani is dual. I have 2 reals and 5 coins.
In the rialani. Okay, I have 2 real and 5 coin. في هذه الحافلة 10 ركاب. I don't know about this.
So في هذه الحافلة.
And this bus 10
passengers. Passengers.
This passenger. Yeah, I got it. This.
Rakibun, rukabun, plural. Okay. Excellent. Right. Next exercise. I'm going to ask everyone to do 3 each. So Sister Tahira, come on the mic. I would like you now over here answer each of the following questions using the number given in the brackets. So this is the way we're going to do it.
So, okay, first the مثال is كم كتابا عندك,
Yep.
and then عندي ثلاثة كتب, because the
Correct.
3 is in the brackets. Okay.
Correct.
So كم أخا لك يا حامد, لي خمسة
The plural of أخ is إخوة.
إخوة. Okay. كم عندي لي خمسة إخوة.
Correct. لي خمسة إخوة. Correct. So even though there is a
Yeah.
time مربوطة in the plural, we
Yeah.
look at the singular. The singular أخ is masculine. Even though there's a time مربوطة in the plural, we will
Yeah.
still use a feminine number. لي خمسة إخوة. Excellent. Number 2.
كم عمن لك يا ليلى, لي أربعة. Now this one عمن is
Plural أم is أعمام.
أعمام. Okay. لي أربعة أعمام.
Correct.
كم ابن لك يا شيخ, لي ستة أبناء.
لي ستة أبناء. أحسنتي. Sister Kisra, can you come on? No, Almas. Can you do the next 3?
My turn or Kisra's
Yeah.
turn? I didn't read.
Sorry? It's
my
Kisra. Almas, yes,
Okay.
your turn.
Okay. كم سؤال في هذا الدرس? So this is 8.
So you say, in this lesson, في هذا الدرس, how do you say 8?
Okay. هذا الدرس.
في هذا
8
الدرس.
is في 8 is ثمانية.
ثمانية. Correct.
في هذا ثمانية درس.
No. The plural of dars, what's the plural of dars?
ثمانية.
دروس, sorry.
Correct. في ثمانية دروس. Correct.
Okay. كم راكبا في الحافلة? How many
Excuse me, Anna.
passengers in this bus?
Yep. So answer. In the bus.
في الحافلة. 9 is, what is 9 called? I don't know the numbers.
This ato.
في الحافلة.
This ato.
راكبا plural
no.
is ركاب.
Yes. راكب ركاب. Yeah. So في الحافلة this ato.
تسعة ركاب.
Okay. And what's the plural of su'al?
Plural for
Correct. As'ilatun or su'alat. This as'ilatun is more popular. So here is the word spelling how you do as'ilatun. Remove this alif lam. As'ilatun.
Okay.
Alif, sin, hamza, lam, ta marbuta. That's the plural of as'ila. Su'alun, as'ilatun. Almas, you had a question. Sorry, Kisma, you had a question.
I just wanted to ask this, the fourth one comes, so Alan fi has a darsi.
Yep.
So how many questions in this lesson it
Yep.
says, right?
Correct.
So the translation will also have like is alatu in the end instead
yes.
of the rus.
Yes. So yes, that's right. So that's the reason why I corrected her mistake. So you say في هذا الدرس ثمانية أسئلة.
Yes.
So the question is about the questions. Sorry, question is about questions, not about the lesson. It's not come درس في هذا الفصل or في هذا الكتاب. It's about the questions, not about the lessons.
Okay, so في هذا الدروس, it will be
no. In this,
درسي.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's about this lesson. في هذا الدرس ثمانية أسئلة. Correct.
Okay. كم ريالا في جيبك? How many real in this pocket?
In your pocket.
In your pocket. So in my pocket. في الجيب.
Not في الجيب. في جيبي.
Okay, في جيبي. What number is this?
7.
tis'atu.
Sab'atu.
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 Sab'atu. في جيبي ريالاتي.
No.
ريالات.
في جيبي sab'atu ريالات.
Okay. في جيبي سبعة ريالات.
Correct. Final one, number 7.
كم ثمن هذا الكتاب? What is the price of this book? The price of this book is Ashrati. Okay. So
So you say,
ثمن.
yep. ثمن هذا الكتاب عشرة
ثمن
عشرة
عشرة كتاب. Sorry.
ريالات. عشرة ريالات.
Acha, we'll add the word ريالات.
Yeah, you add ريالات at the end. Okay, thank you. I'm not going to do exercise 4. Okay, that was the whole lesson itself. Lesson number 9. I'm going to move. Is everyone okay? Is everyone? That's good. Sister Razia is here as well. So now I'm going to do lesson number 10. But before I do lesson number 10, Sister Razia, come on the mic. Assalamu alaikum. Sister Razia, are you just listening or are you going to participate? I think she's going to just listen. Okay, that's fine. Okay, next lesson, lesson number 10. Now I'm going to ask Sister Tahira, come back on the mic again. Unless Sister Razia, you're able to listen to me. Can you hear me, Razia? No, you can't. That's fine. Now over here now, Sister Tahira, you will see the numbers now here. Now what's happening here now?
Sorry, Sheikh. Sorry, I just came in and I switched on. So
okay, that's fine. Give it a couple of seconds and I'll bring you on the mic. Okay. So what I'm doing lesson number 9 and 10. So lesson 9 and 10, both of them are related to each other. All of them are related to numbers. And Sister Tahira is going to explain how this is different from the other numbers. So in the Arabic language, there are feminine numbers and masculine numbers. Now, Tahira, explain what's happening here now.
Oh God. Okay. When we talk about feminine ma'dud, then we use the masculine number.
So what do you mean the feminine ma'dud? Explain that, please.
Okay, if you're talking about talibatin, that's a feminine number. Then the
feminine noun.
Okay, feminine noun. Then the counting should be in the masculine. It's thalathatu talibatin. Thalathu talibatin.
Correct.
And if it's a masculine number like darsun, it's thalathatu durusin.
Excellent. So this is, let me just go back for the sake of sister. Now here, explain here now. These are the masculine numbers, and then we'll go into the feminine numbers. Bismillah.
Shall I do that?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, here, if you, Sister Raz, if you look at this one, this is thalathatu tullabin. So the word we're counting is, the number we're counting is a feminine, but the ma'dud is masculine. So thalathatu tullabin. And then the same goes with arba'atu tullabin. So it's again feminine, and going and counting the ma'dud is masculine. And then khamsatu tullabin. And then sittatu tullabin, and sab'atu tullabin, thamaniyatu tullabin, tis'atu tullabin, and then asharatu tullabin.
Excellent. And now over here now, in lesson number 10, what's happening here?
Okay, and here again it's changing, it's the opposite kind of thing. So it says thalathu talibatin. So it's changing the masculine and the feminine with each other. So when you're reading the masculine number ma'dud, then the counting should be in the masculine number. It's like thalathu talibatin, arba'atu talibatin.
Arba'u. You're saying arba'atu. It's arba'u talibatin. Yeah. So the time marbutas, all of the time marbutas from these numbers have been omitted. Have been omitted because now the numbers are coming masculine because the thing which is being counted is feminine. And also the numbers itself are coming with one dhamma, and the second noun is coming with a kasra tanween because it's mudaf ilay. Bismillah. continue.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. 4 طالبات 5 طالبات 6 طالبات 7 طالبات 8 طالبات 9 طالبات 10 طالبات.
Excellent. Is that clear?
الحمد لله.
Right. Okay. Now I'm going to ask Sister Razia, if you don't come on the mic, this points to remember. It covers lesson number 9 and 10 for you. Bismillah. You can read.
So
In this
on
lesson.
two, okay? Is that the one?
Yes. In
Or,
points to remember.
or-
In this lesson, we learned.
Lesson 10. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this lesson, we learn the numbers of 3 to 10 with feminine ma'dud. We have already learned these numbers with the masculine ma'dud. For example, 3 sons, thalathatu abna'in. Now, if the ma'dud is feminine, the ta marbuta at the end of the number is omitted. For example, thalathatu abna'in. Instead of thalathatu abna'in, we say thalathu banatin.
Exactly. So,
So
it's what
that-
is done. One column here, now says Razia. Now this column here on the right hand side,
Yes.
this is masculine, this is
Okay.
feminine. So the ma'dud, the thing which is being counted, banat, akhawat, ummahat, all are females. Here,
Yes.
abna, ikhwa, aba are all masculines. So that's the reason why the numbers are coming with the taya marbuta, and over here there is no taya marbuta with the numbers.
Correct. So it's the opposite. If the masculine subject, then the feminine numbers. And if the feminine subject, the masculine numbers. Okay.
Correct.
So this is thalathatu abna'in. Thalathatu abna'in is 3 sons. Arba'atu ikhwatin, 4 brothers. Khamsatu aba'in, 5 fathers. Sittatu rijalin, 6 men. Sab'atu tullabin, 7 students. Thamaniyatu buyutin, 8 houses. Now, thalathu banatin, 3 daughters. Arba'u akhawatin, 4 sisters. Khamsu ummahatin, 5 mothers. Sittu nisa'in, 6 women. Sab'u talibatin, 7 lady students. Thamani ghurafin, 8 rooms. Note that Thamani has sukun on the last letter. Ashratu rijalin, 10 men.
Right.
Ashru nisa'in, 10 women. Note that Ashratu has fatha on the shin and Ashru has sukun.
Excellent.
Okay, so this is Asharatu rijalin and Ashru nisa'in.
Excellent. Is that clear?
Yeah. The feminine of wahid is wahida and ithnan is ithnatan.
Excellent. So ithnani, ithnatani. And
Yes. Yeah.
then the example, li ukhtani.
Li ukhtun wahida, li ukhtani ithnatani.
Excellent.
Okay. Okay.
Jazakallah. Sister Parveen Razai, can you do the vocabulary?
Kalimatu, word, plural for kalimatun.
Mhm.
Majallatun,
Magazine.
magazine. Harfun, letter of the alphabet. Plural of urufun.
Excellent.
Indonesia is Indonesia.
Correct.
Qurfun, plural for qurfatun, room. Durusun, plural for darsun, lesson.
Excellent.
Mamun, plural of ammun, paternal uncle.
Any questions?
No, thank you.
MashaAllah. How are you finding it now? Better?
Better, more better.
No, alhamdulillah, I can tell the difference. I can tell the difference. Right. So I
Thank
want you to read with Sister Razia. So I
Okay.
want Sister Razia to become Layla. Sorry, Sister Layla will be Razi, Sister Parveen Razai, and you become Salma Razia. Go ahead.
All right.
الله الرحمن الرحيم. ليلى يا سلمى أفي فصلك طالبات من الصين واليابان أو سلمى and your
Are in your class
are you class students from Sin and Japan?
Yeah, Japan, China and Japan. Sin is China and Yaban is Japan.
Okay. نعم في فصلنا 5 طالبات من الصين و4 طالبات من اليابان و8 طالبات من Indonesia.
Translation, please.
Yes, in our class, we have 5 lady students from China, 4 lady students from Japan, and 8 lady students from Indonesia.
Excellent.
وفي فصلنا 3 طالبات من الهند و6 طالبات من الفلبيني و7 طالبات من الكويت. In our classroom 3 students from India و6 طالبات من الفلبيني 6 it's 9.
Yep. So no, Sito is 6.
6 students from Philippines and وسبع طالبات من الكويت والسبع is 9.
7.
7.
7.
سبع 7 students from Kuwait.
كم أختا لك يا ليلى? How many sisters do you have?
لي 3 أخواتي. I have 3 sisters.
وكم أخا لك? And how many brothers do you have?
لي 5 إخوات. I have
إخوة.
5 إخوة. I have 5 brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Sister Razia, you'll see that the numbers, when you do the counting, so the
Yeah.
numbers will come in the plural format. So here, arba'u talibatin, khamsu talibatin. So talibatun is singular and talibat is plural. And
Correct.
over here, thalathu akhawatin, ukhtun akhawatun. Kam akhan laka. So akhan, the singular is masculine. You
Yes.
always look at the singular word. If the singular word is masculine, even though the plural of li khamsatu ikhwatin, there is a time marbuta, don't worry about this stuff. We still have to use a feminine number because the singular is masculine. So the number comes feminine. Li khamsatu ikhwatin.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. لخمسة إخوة. Yes.
Yep. Continue, please.
It's my turn, no?
Yes.
لك 3 أخوات و5 إخوة. I have 3 sisters and 5. MashaAllah.
We should and 5 brothers.
5 brothers. Yes.
Yes.
نعم. وكم أخا وأختا لك? Yes. And how many brother?
Yep.
And sister you have?
Yep.
Yeah. لي 4 إخوة و4 أخوات. I have 4 sisters.
4 brothers.
And 4 sisters.
Yeah. 4 brothers and 4 sisters, correct?
لي زميلة اسمها خديجة. لا 8 إخوتي و8 أخواتي. أخوات.
Yeah.
I have a colleague, her name is Khadija. She have 8 sister and
No, ikhwa, akhun, ikhwatun is brothers.
brothers. 8 she have 8 brothers and 8 sisters.
Ahsanti. Excellent.
So
Right.
these are which we have to remember, Sheikh.
Yeah, that's right. You
So
need to know.
when when asking, we are asking in singular. And when we have feminine subject, the number is masculine.
Correct.
And when we have masculine subject, the number is feminine.
Correct.
Is that-
Correct. That's right.
Okay.
Sister, so ثلاث طالبات أربع طالبات. If you just read the numbers and translate, that'll be fine. I know it's going to be late in Pakistan, probably at what time? Probably about 11 o'clock. She's probably just listening. Okay, that's fine. Batul Andani, can you do the number counting?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thalathu talibatin. Female student. Arba'u talibatin. 4 female students. Khamsu talibatin. 5 female students. Sittu talibatin. 6 students. Sab'u talibatin. 7 students. Samaniya talibatin. 8
Thamani,
students.
not Thamania. Thamani.
Samani talibatin. 8 students. Sit'u talibatin.
Tis'u. Tis'u.
Tis'u talibatin, 9 students. Arshu talibatin, 10 students.
Correct. Can you do the first 4 now as well?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fi baytina salasatu. Salatu.
Yep.
Salatu urafi. Ghurafi, yeah, sorry. In our house, there are 3 rooms.
Correct.
Fil jamiyati ashru.
Fil jami'ati.
Fil jamiyati ashru hafilatin. Hafilatin. Oh yeah, we tell you, yeah. Hafilatin. In university, there are 10 buses.
Excellent.
في هذه المدرسة 8 مدرسات.
Not Thamania, Thamani.
8 مدرسات.
Correct.
مدرسات. In this school, there are 8 female teachers.
Correct.
Abbasun lahu sab'u banatin. Abbas have 7
Daughters.
7 daughters.
Excellent.
Fi
Brilliant.
baytina. Can I go on?
Let me get someone else now. Jazakallah for that. This is Tahira. We do 5, 6, 7, and 8.
في بيتنا 9 دجاجات. In our house, we have 9 roosters.
No, the deacon is roosters. The jajat is hens.
Oh, hens. Okay. Okay, so there are 9 hens.
Chickens.
Chickens. Okay.
Yeah.
في الجامعة 5 كليات. In the university, there are 5 faculties. في المستشفى 10 طبيبات و4 ممرضات. In the hospital, there are 10 female doctors and 4 nurses. خالد له 3 أبناء و4 بنات. Khalid has 3 sons and 4 daughters.
Correct.
لي 5 إخوة و6 أخوات. I have 5 brothers and 6 sisters.
Jazakallah. Thank you. Sister Razia, can you do the last 2, 10 and 11?
في هذا الكتاب 10 دروس. In this book, there are 10 lessons. 4 أعمام و5 عمات. We have four. Amamin is uncles.
Ammun. Yep.
Amamin. We have four uncles and five aunties. Is it?
Excellent. Yeah. Ammatun. Correct.
Yeah. في بلدي 5 جامعات. In our country, there are 5 universities.
Correct.
في هذا الدرس 8 كلمات جديدة. In this lesson, there are 8 kalimat is what? There
Words.
are 8 new words.
Correct.
عندي 3 مجلات. I have 3 what are these newspapers? I have
Magazines. Magazines.
magazines. Okay,
Yeah.
I have 2 magazines.
Excellent. Right. I'm not going to finish off all of this. Actually, I can do it. Actually, I should be able to do it. That's fine. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to ask everyone to answer 2 questions at a time. So I'm going to start from Almas. Do 1 and 2.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam akhan laka.
What does that mean?
How many brothers do you have?
So how would you say? So brothers, is it masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Correct. So the numbers, what's the plural of akhun?
So this will be, number will be used as a feminine.
Correct. So 6. And how?
Six.
What's the plural? What's the plural of akhun?
Akhwatun.
Ikhwatun.
Sorry, ikhwatun.
So I have. How do you say I have? So change
li,
laka. Yep, li.
li akhwat. Li sittu akhwatin.
No, not sittu. Sittu is feminine. Masculine. Li feminine.
Li sittatun akhwatin.
Not with a
Ikhwatin.
tanween. Without just one dhamma. Li sittatu ikhwatin.
Li sittatu ikhwatin. Okay.
Correct. Next one.
Kam ukhtan laka. How many sisters do you have?
Female or
this
masculine?
will be masculine number.
Correct.
So this will be li khamsu ukhtin.
Akhawatin. Li
Sorry,
khamsu akhawatin. Correct. Can I request next to Sister Razia do 4, 3 and 4? 3 and 4.
Okay. Kam bakaratan fil haqli. How many cows are in the farm?
So in the farm are 10 cows. The number bakara is feminine, so the number of the cows will be masculine.
Okay. Fil haqli ashara.
Ash. So
Is it ashra?
no.
No,
Ashru.
ashrun. Yes, sorry. Ashru. Bakarat in plural of
Alif and ta at the end. Bakarat. Bakaratin.
Fil haqli asharu bakaratin.
Correct.
Kam talibatun jadidatan fil fasli. How many students, new students are in the class? There are 5 new students in the
No, 9.
There are 9.
Yeah. This.
Oh, I see. The answer is there. Sorry.
Yeah.
There are 9 students, new students in the class.
So you see
So
in the classroom.
yeah, in the classroom. Yes. Fil firstly, talibat.
No, number first. Number first.
Number first. Fil firstly.
Correct.
This o.
Correct.
Talibatin.
And how do you say the word new? So because jadidatin is an adjective, so the plural will come. The plural adjective will come. Jududin.
Jududin. Okay. Wow. This is tricky.
Yeah. So what happens is that whenever there's an adjective for a human being, then the adjective will come in the plural format. But if the adjective is for a singular feminine, if it's an adjective for a non-ghairi aqil, then the adjective will come in the singular feminine. It's only for the aqil objects, not objects, human beings, the noun comes in the plural format. Continue, Sister Tahira. Number 6 and 7.
Okay.
Sorry,
Come.
5 and 6. 5 and 6. Come tabibatan.
Okay. كم طبيبة في مستشفى الولادة? How many doctors are in the maternity hospital? في المستشفى الولادة 8 طبيبات.
Excellent.
كم حافلة في الجامعة? How many buses are in the university?
Mhm.
في الجامعة 6 حافلات.
Excellent. Next student. That's really good. Excellent. Kisra, can you do 7 and 8?
Kam ibnan laka. How many sons do you have?
I have.
Li arbaatun.
Arba'atu. Without tanween.
Arbaatu.
Yep.
Li arbaatu abnaun.
In. Abna'in.
Abna'in.
Excellent.
Okay. Kam binatin laka. How
Bintan.
many daughters?
Kam bintan.
Kam bintan. Sorry. Kam bintan laka. How many daughters do you have? Li samani banatin.
Li, Thamani, Sab'u. Sab'u. It
Sorry,
is 7.
Okay.
Sab'u.
Li sab'u banatin.
Li Sab'u Banatin. Excellent. Next one I'm going to ask is going to be, who is that? Batul Andani, 9 and 10.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam jamiatan fil baladika. Fi baladi salasu jamiatin.
MashaAllah. Fi baladi Thalathu Jami'atin.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Kam kitaban indaka. Indi samaniyatu kutubin.
MashaAllah. Who have you been working with?
Lots of time.
MashaAllah.
I
Excellent.
have to.
MashaAllah. That's really good.
Alhamdulillah.
Sister Parveen Razai, the last exercise.
لي 4 أخوات
No,
وثلاث.
no. Arba'atu. Without the Dhamma Tanween. Arba'atu ikhwatin.
لي 4 إخوة
Yep.
وثلاث أخوات.
MashaAllah.
محمد له 5 أبناء
Excellent.
وثمانية
Wathamani.
وثماني بنات.
MashaAllah. That was really good. Really, really good. Sister Razia, 3 and 4.
Yeah. I'm trying because I still don't have the grip. In the
So the numbers kutub, yeah, it's now kutub is masculine. The numbers will be feminine.
in the asharatu kutubin wasama
7.
wasab'u majallatin
MashaAllah.
fil mustashfa tis'u tabibatin
Excellent.
6 mumarridatin.
MashaAllah. Excellent. You caught up. Tahira, 5 and 6.
Okay. عندي خمسان. عندي 4 قمصان.
Excellent.
لهذه السيارة 4 أبواب.
And number 7.
في هذه الكلمة 5 أحرف.
Excellent. Almas, can you do 8 and 9 and 10 and finish off the lesson?
Okay. في مدرستنا this is 8.
So this is 8 and the teachers are feminine. So the number will be masculine.
Okay, so 8 is called Samani.
Excellent.
I don't remember the names.
So
في
next time you will go now, you will remember the counting now, inshallah. That when you go to Ziyarat for Iraq.
Inshallah. It will be easy to get the change back. Okay.
Inshallah. Let me just think of what to do because I am thinking of doing some sort of conversational classes as well. So let me think of how I'm going to do that as well. So في مدرستنا ثماني.
Okay. في مدرستنا ثماني مدرسات.
Correct.
في بيتنا عشرة
Yep.
رجال وعشر نساء.
وأشرو.
عشر نساء.
Correct.
ذهب أبي إلى الرياض قبل ثلاثة أيام.
No, قبل. After قبل, the noun comes with a kasra. قبل ثلاثة
أيام.
أيام. So because of قبل, it is not ثلاثة, it's coming with a kasra now. ثلاثة أيام.
Okay, ثلاثة أيام.
MashaAllah. Right, how do you find that lesson, everyone?
Alhamdulillah.
Very interesting, very tricky.
Yeah, I know. But the thing is that, alhamdulillah, we did 2 lessons today. That's really good. So I'm really happy that we've able to manage to do this. Now, I'm really happy with the progress of everyone now. And no one could say to me, Sheikh, I want to stay in book 2. Everyone will move on to book 3 in this group, inshallah. So lesson number 12, I'll do next week. 30, you've got 3 more lessons left. And inshallah, we'll finish the book, inshallah. So we're on target, inshallah, to finish on time. So next week, we'll start the earlier time, 5:30 UK time, 8:30 Nairobi time, and I think it'll be 11:30. I think it's going to be time in Bombay time. I think it is. So inshallah,
Yes.
we'll have.
Okay.
Okay, so
Can I ask you one question, Sheikh?
Yep.
Why these Arabs are making so much complicated this language? It could have been simple, the same number and the same this as we do in English.
I think that's the Arabs for you.
Huh? Is there any reason?
No, the thing is, Arabic is a very eloquent language, and for this reason, they have done it this way.
My God. Okay, we'll learn it.
Inshallah. Right, okay. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajum. Jazakallah. So inshallah, please do the homeworks because the lessons are now becoming a bit more challenging. So if you don't do the homeworks, you will find it difficult. Okay.
Jazakallah, Sheikh. At least one lesson I could make it. Are you putting it on the record?
Yeah.
Or
I'll put it on the group in a minute, just a few minutes, inshallah.
all right, so it will be easier for